Hi there, welcome back. I'm Kale. So today I want to share with you, I made a project for some friends of ours. They built an outdoor bar and they're having a party soon to christen the bar and also close out summer here in lovely Colorado. So wanted to just share with you quickly something that I learned from another YouTuber, and his name's Doug Boyd from Tucson, Arizona. His channel is Artfully Rogue. I'll put a link in the description for you. Anyway, he does a lot of cool things with metal finishes, a lot of cool welding stuff. So I wanted to do kind of a, I don't even know what you'd call it, an Artfully Rogue finish. That's what I'll call it. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix muriatic acid. I'm going to spray this first with muriatic acid. Then I'm going to spray it with hydrogen peroxide, and it won't take any time at all to see what happens. I have to agree with what Doug says over on his channel, that this is the fastest method that I've seen for changing the way metal looks. Safety first. I'm going to pause the video and go put on some safety gear. Muriatic acid is no joke. It's nasty stuff. You don't want it on you. That's kind of why we're doing an outdoor shoot today. Anyway, I'll show you what it looks like, then I'll come back and talk to you afterward, maybe do a couple of close-ups. Stick with me. Thanks. All right, here we go. Muriatic acid and hydrogen peroxide. Apologize for the camera angle. You really don't want to be downwind when you're spraying this stuff, so I'm moving myself and my camera so I'm upwind from the horseshoe here. By the way, this is a wine bottle and 2 wine glass holder made from horseshoes. Learned this technique and did this project from Barbie the Welder. Super awesome welder. Another YouTuber that I just really enjoy watching. So I'll put a link to her channel down below too. I'm not affiliated with any of these folks. I just like watching cool people do cool stuff. So all right, enough chit chat. Let's spray some stuff and watch what happens. All right, here we go with some muriatic acid. Probably going to mess up my jaw horse here, but I don't care. If you haven't seen one of these jaw horses before, they are super awesome. I can't say enough good things about this thing. It's held on to everything, and I mean everything that I've wanted to hold on to. They're not cheap, but you really only need one of them. I only have one, and it just works great. All right, so yeah, that muriatic acid, whew, boy, that really makes a difference, doesn't it? Yeah, just kidding. There isn't any real difference yet. All right, so there's Doug may have a difference of opinion. I'm not sure, but I don't really see a need to wait to spray it. So with the hydrogen peroxide, so while that muriatic acid is on there, let's go ahead and hit it with hydrogen peroxide and see what happens. Check that out. Really want to get it all in there and then just let it sit. Check that out. Tell me that isn't like one of the coolest things you've seen on the internet. And this is not my idea. This is Doug Boyd over at Artfully Rogue. Thanks, Doug. Appreciate it. All right, so what I'm going to do is just move the camera in a little closer, and we'll just kind of watch it for a little bit. Maybe I'll do a time lapse. We'll see. Apologize for the shaky camera business. This muriatic acid really stinks. So if you're not outdoors with a nice breeze like I am today, I mean, even so, it wouldn't hurt me to be wearing a respirator. I just wanted to be able to talk to you. That's not a good excuse. Wear your safety equipment. You never get a second pair of lungs. You never get more than 10 fingers, so protect them all. All right, here we go. Sorry if it's windy out here. Can't help the awesome Colorado weather. So here we go. Thanks to Barbie the Welder for this quick tutorial on how to make this. And special thanks to Doug over at Artfully Rogue for a ton of inspiration and finishing tips, including muriatic acid and hydrogen peroxide. I think it turned out great. Can't wait to give it to him. Thanks all. Till next time, I'm out.